Alright, this is the elevator. Takes you up to this store at IKEA in Woodbridge, Virginia, and this one is huge. This is also a ThyssenDover. That's Dover, that's not ThyssenKrupp. We'll get our cab view up here. See, that's not a ThyssenKrupp bell either. Very large, but very basic. There is a fun look, Dover. You won't see that blue on a ThyssenKrupp. You see, take a look at that. That's not blue, that's black. Alright, I actually ended one, so we'll end there. But let me stand from over here. That goes show how big this is. There's probably gonna be somebody here. Excuse me. Alright, and that's it.